Says Azadari. I felt that he was most knowledgeable at the time. I feel it's good because it keeps the message of Imam Hussein alive. Like every year we get closer to the message of Imam Hussein. I personally, I wear black for the first from the month of Muharram, from the beginning to the end of Safar. I attend lectures. We hold majalises, and we try and spread the name of like the message of Imam Hussein out there every year. And yeah, we do Latmiya and other stuff. Obviously, we weren't there at the time, and we feel, because we love Imam Hussein so much, because we know the message of what happened to him and what he was trying to do for the name of Islam, we cry out of love for him. We cry because we're upset what happened to him. We're angry what they done to him, the dhulm they done to him. I personally feel that when it helps you in life, where you think that you learn from that message, where you've been to a majalis from Imam Hussein, it shows you a path where if you've done mistakes, we're humans, we all make mistakes. If you've made mistakes, it actually helps you not to make those mistakes again. You learn from the message, because there's a million messages from what happened on the day of Ashura and from the days that built up to it and the days after it. We learn so much from it. So it helps us in our everyday life. And it's like a second chance, because we do have Ramadan. However, after Ramadan, this is like a second chance for us to get connected to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and repent for whatever we've done wrong, or change our ways. So it's more of a second chance, I think, as well.